Hello everyone, we are Compile Crew and today we are excited to introduce our solution for Smart India Hackathon 2025. Our idea is called Prashikshan, an innovative platform designed to connect students, colleges and industrial through verified skill-based internship while fully supporting NEP 2020 problem statement. Finding meaningful internship is a challenge for many students. Fake or unverified offers, lack of proper supervision, and scatter process often leave students unprepared. Colleges struggle with manual paperwork and NEP credit reporting, while industries find it hard to reach, train, and verify talent. Our solution is Prashikshan, a centralized Flutter-based mobile app. It connects students to verified industry internship, keeps colleges updated with digital logbook and dashboards, and ensure NEP credit integration. The app also provides skill readiness modules so students can train before internship even begin. Innovation and uniqueness. What makes Prashikshan unique? A trusted internship hub ensuring partnership and verified opportunities. Smart and skill-oriented design, preparing students with training modules, tracking progress in real life, and automatically generating NEP reports. Hybrid and offline support, making it accessible even in rural areas. Technical approach. On the technical side, we have built the front end with Flutter and seamless Android and iOS support. The backend runs on Firebase with Firestore for database and cloud storage. We use real notification via FCM, secure role-based logins and analytics for monitoring process. Development is managed throughout VS Code, Git and cloud platforms like Firebase. Feasibility and viability. Our solution is cost-effective, easy to build and scalable. It works both online and offline, making it suitable for colleges across India. Even those in rural areas, the demand is high and maintenance cost is low, ensuring long-term sustainability, impact and benefits. With Prashikshan, students get easy access to verified internships, skill training and NEP credits. Colleges Colleges and faculty can digitally monitor, generate report and connect with industries across a pool of trained verified candidates. Rural area. Rural students get equal opportunities throughout offline and hybrid support. Education system. The education system benefits for improved trust, transparency, and NEP alignment. It also creates social impact by bridging rural-urban gaps, economic impacts by preventing fake internship and improving, and even an environmental impact by reducing paperwork and travel. Login screen. Let's start with the login screen. The design is simple, sleek and inviting, meant to assure students smoothly into the EduConnect site. Here, students merely type in their university email and password. In the background, sound security procedure keeps user information secure. After successful login, students are the redirected to their own dashboard where they begin to make use of the platform to connect students, colleges and industry in one place. Dashboard screen. Then the dashboard is the student's command center. It lay out important academic and internship metrics at glance. Credits achieved, current internship, skill module underway, and overall profile development. Speed button simply navigation. Students can search internship, modify their digital logbook, open skill modules, or look at reports in a snap. A recent activity area keeps them informed of applications and completions, while a bottom navigation bar that remains on screen away facilitates smooth transition between dashboard, internship, skills, and profile pages. Internship search screen. The internship area assists learners in discovering genuine opportunities. They can filter and search by role, location, duration, mode or skill. Every internship card is legible to display the company, job title, credits, and more. Color coded with tags for instant identification. The page is easy to navigate so that students can discover internship that suit their ability and interest. Report and analytics pages gives insights into students' progress. With visual charts, tabs, progress bar, students are able to monitor internship performance, skill development, and credit achievement over time. There are all NEP guideline aligned metric can be exported for use at an institutional level, making it a useful tool both for students and colleges. Profile screen. The profile page is dynamic electronic portfolio. It combines a student's courses, skills, certificates, and performance statistics with simple edit function and a disciplined format. Students can constantly update their profile, building up their credits for internship and placement in future. Setting and logout feature are also tightly included. Prashikshan is more than just an app. It is a step towards bridging the gap between academic and industry while supporting India's NEP 2020 vision. This is the Prashikshan Advantage, a safe, organized, and empowering gateway between students, academic, and industry. We are Compile Crew and we are excited to bring this change to life. Thank you.